Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy potato curry. So let's get started. I've got here 3 medium potatoes which I have peeled, chopped and soaked it in some water, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder or you can add it according to your taste, salt to taste and half teaspoon of turmeric. Place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Drain the water from the potatoes and add it to the oil. Add cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric and half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. Put a lid on and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 10 minutes, mix it again and taste your salt. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm adding extra half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn the heat off, move the potatoes to one side to drain off the excess oil. Place something under one side of the fry pan to tilt it slightly. Transfer the potatoes in a dish and it is ready to serve. My easy potato curry is ready and you can make it and serve it with roti, rice, puris and dal. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.